Once you get comfortable uploading and converting files to your Google Drive, you need to know and be familiar with the interface and how to organize your documents and folders. So let's take a look at the interface. On the left-hand side in Drive, you have the Create button, where you can create documents. You're familiar with the Upload icon. And below you have My Drive. My Drive are folders and files that you've either brought in or created yourself, that you own. Shared with Me, if you click on that, it will include anything that has been shared with you, that you don't own, but has been given to you or shared with you from another Google Apps user. If you have things that are shared with you and you want to view them in My Drive, you just click and drag and drop them in My Drive. You don't have to move items shared with you into your drive. That's strictly optional. You can still access them and use them without moving them to My Drive. Now, often we get a big list of docs as we grow and use our Google Apps. So starred comes in really handy because if you're working with certain classes or certain docs, you may want to star them so that when you log into Drive and you click on Starred, you can quickly get to the documents that you most recently used or most frequently need. The Recent icon will pull your most recently edited or used documents. And under More, you do have access to something called Activity, All Items, and Trash. Notice that you can color code your folders. To do this, you just hover over the folder, click on the arrow, and you can go ahead and change the color. If you have documents in Drive and you want to create a folder, you just click on Create, choose Folder, name the folder, and click Create. You can then move docs into that folder. If you go across to the top to the right, you'll see you have the Sort option where you can choose to sort your docs by last edited by me, last modified, last opened by me, title, and quota used. Sometimes when looking for docs, you might want to switch to the grid view. Anything that has images or drawings in them, you can get a quick view of what you're looking for. Although most people prefer list view, some people prefer to always have grid view enabled. And finally, searching for documents. If your Google Drive gets full and you're looking for something, it's pretty easy to find something you're looking for. If you start typing a keyword, all the documents and folders that contain that keyword will appear in the list. If you hit enter, they'll show up as a selection list. You can also look for docs by keyword and type by clicking on the search arrow drop-down. Let's say you only want to look for forms. There's only one form in my docs with the word training in it. You can search by visibility and ownership as well. So it's really easy to find what you need quickly in Google Drive using the search tools, using starred or recent, modifying your sort, or accessing grid view. Take a moment to be familiar with how to create a folder, to move a document, and find things in your Google Drive.